To park your vehicle with the Park Assist on your smartphone, press the parking button and drive as close as possible to potential parking spaces at a maximum speed of 36 km/h. Appropriate parking spaces are displayed. Once you have found one, confirm with the rotary push button and indicate the direction of travel. Then shift into P. Using Bluetooth, pair the vehicle with the smartphone. Then start the app. Then unbuckle, take out the key and get out of the vehicle. Move into a safe position within 3 meters of the vehicle. Keep an eye on the vehicle's surroundings during the entire process. Press Continue. Start the engine with a circular movement on the phone's display and then take your finger off the screen. Then park the vehicle with continuous circular movements on the phone's display. The app tells you when the vehicle is fully parked. Press OK and the process is complete.